Oh yeah, off rip. Oh yeah, going nowhere. Oh, this is so snug. I love it.
With you, I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. The joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet.
Hi fairies, welcome back to my channel. It's Laurasia Andrea. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new lace to try out for all people of color. This is a film HD lace. It is something very new to the market and I am very excited to try it because I've never tried film lace ever in my life. I'm all for HD laces because I feel like they're the best throw on and go out the door. I don't really need to do much to the wig type of wig. Wowafrican sent me a 13x6 film lace HD wig. This is what the wig looks like up close. It's just your standard type of wig with the combs and hooks inside and then the HD lace. So I'm going to show you something that I like to do with these type of wigs, taking the bungee cord, like the elastic band, and hooking it up to the lowest hook possible because that is how I make my wigs glueless. I'm just going to try the wig on to see how it fits. Oh yeah, off rip. Oh yeah, like when I say throw on and go, I mean throw on and go. The wig is extremely snug on my head. It's not going nowhere. And then I have it hooked in the back so that it's not lifting or anything like that. I want to show you guys, let me grab a comb. I just want to show you guys the wig as far as the hairline. It came directly like this. This is 13x6 and it comes pre-bleached. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tone the lace. I'm gonna be using a Lace Hue by 𝐤𝐵𝐿. I'm gonna try out the light brown. I feel like the medium brown is just a tad bit too dark for me right now. But the first thing is I'm gonna take this paper towel. I'm gonna put it right on my forehead, pull that lace. I know it looks like I can't see, but I can. Take this 𝐤𝐵𝐿 Lace Hue. I'm going to spray one layer of the lace spray on the lace. The foundation powder I'm using today is from CoverGirl. It's their Matte Ambition. And this is in the shade Deep Cool 2. And just coat the inside of that lace. Seal that in with some hairspray and then blow dry. Oh, this is so snug. I love it. Now, I don't really consider this like a lace adhesive or like a lace spray. This is the Go Glueless Lace in Place Mist. It's for glueless wig applications to make the lace seem more seamless on my hairline. I'm gonna just part my hairs where I'm going to be cutting the lace. That's what really shows the true and natural hairline. Now I'm going to take that spray and I'm just going to spray in between the part all around my hairline. All right, so this is how we're looking. Now I'm gonna take my scissors and for now I'm gonna cut right above the hairline and just work my way back. So instead of just cutting off way too much, I'm just gonna cut off like right before the hairline. So I'm going to finish this video off as a voiceover since the most important part of the video was talk through. So the rest of this video is pretty much just going to be me continuously customizing the wig, cutting the wig, styling it, etc. So the first thing I'm doing is continuing to cut the hairline, but as I'm doing that, I am going to be plucking a few hairs off of the wig does come pre-plucked, but there is a certain way that I like my hairlines to look, and I kind of like to mimic my old hairline when I had hair back in the day. When I've plucked to my liking, I'm just going to take my EAP Heat hot comb and just use that along my entire hairline. This is 13 by 6, but I feel like the sides are more or less like a 3-inch. I feel like that's typically how companies are making their wigs, which I don't mind because I like the way that these wigs are. I feel like they make it so much easier for me to make my wigs glueless and just makes my life just simpler. I'm just going to continue to take that hot comb and just get as close as possible to my hairline without burning myself like I did. Once I'm done hot combing my hairline, I'm just going to pluck a little bit more on both sides of my parting. I wanted to have a left side and a right side when it came to my little hair flip. So I'm just making sure that I part each side that I want and just pluck a little bit in the hairline to make it more prominent. And I'm just fixing the hairline as I go, cutting baby hairs, plucking a little bit more until the hairline looks as realistic as I really want it to look. And then I'm also going to take that same powder that we had in the inside of a lace and just put it on the parting on both sides. Now, this section of the video, I wish I wore a different shirt, Go Laurasia, because I feel like I did the best I could with editing and changing the colors so you guys could see the hair. But, you know, genius me decided to wear a black shirt with black hair. I decided to leave this part in anyway because I did literally transform this wig from 22 inches to like a 16 layered shortcut. I did a pretty damn good job, so I didn't want to waste the footage, but all I'm doing is just going through and layering my hair section by section, and I'm just cutting the hair in a diagonal form every single time I go to each side, and I'm making sure that I'm measuring the sides evenly as I'm going up in each section. And I just continued to do that until I had the layers to my liking on both sides.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone.
Now, my secret gem. This is a curling brush that I got from Amazon. I got it almost 2 years ago, so I will try my hardest to see if I can find it still on Amazon, but if not, I will see if I can find something a little bit similar. But this is a thermal heat brush, and I love this so much because it just makes my styling so much more effortless and so easy, and leaves curls in my head all day, sometimes for weeks. This is the only thing I'm going to be doing today as far as curling my hair. It's the only thing that will really leave the curls in this type of hair. It's my secret for curling Remy textured hair. I think this hair is like more or less like a Remy Indian silky texture, and it's just something about this ceramic thermal brush that just, I don't know, it just works really well in textures like this because it holds the curls like endless. I'm just going to take that and just go section by section and just rake that brush through the hair going in a backwards motion, and it creates the most beautiful layered curled style. Again, my apologies if you guys can't really see the style, but don't worry because I will be changing my clothes and you can really see it.
In a face. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real?
So this is me showing you guys the proof that this is glueless, but don't worry because I am going to show you guys how to step it up a little bit more. I'm going to take that same Go Glueless Lace Mist and just spray my hairline. But this time when I'm spraying the Go Glueless Lace Mist, I'm going to press it down with my finger on my hairline. It's going to make the hairline camouflage. And then I'm just going to take any pieces or any areas where I feel like I need to do a little bit more curls or a little bit more layering, going back and forth with my hairspray and my brush, just defining those layers and those curls a little bit more, or just using the hairspray where I see fit. And that is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys really loved this type of video. I'm kind of thinking that I want to make the straight out of the box as like a hair series for transforming my wigs. This is the first time I ever really transformed a wig on camera the way I did, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I loved this type of video. So I'm hoping you guys liked it too, because I literally transformed the F out of this wig and I did a damn good job. So if you guys want to see more content like this, let me know down in the comment section below, and also thumbs up this video because I will keep them coming, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one, and bye guys.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming.